Alright, got another shoddy video for y'all. This is Remington Express, the 20 pellet, 3 buck, shooting at home defense range. I got the ballistic rice going on. I'm just seeing, what happens shooting like a simulated torso shot at home defense range. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. I don't know, 7 yards away, something like that. Somewhere in there, 20, 25 feet. Yes, the shotgun is loaded. Why is the shotgun loaded, you might ask? Because I just found a 4-foot snake skin, not too far from here. Granted, the snake's probably not around, but this is my snake away. So here we go. Home defense range, torso shot, 20 gauge buckshot through the New England shotgun smoothbore home defense situation. And there you go. Not a lot going on there. Not too impressive. But that would be very impressive in a home defensive situation. As y'all seen, the pattern was nice, simple, not too big, stayed within the bag itself. And let's see if we have some complete pass-through going on there. Put the snake away right there. See, the vast majority of the shot defense range, the vast majority of the shot all stayed basically within the hand size pattern right there. So when you're also sitting there thinking with shotgun, it's just point and shoot. That just goes along the lines that the shotguns in home defense situations is not something just point and shoot. You're actually going to have to do some aiming, have some knowledge. So there we go, all the shots. That's nice. Do we get anything going all the way through? No, the bag does not have any holes all the way through. Let's see if we can see the pellets come out. They must have came out from the original. But anyway, we do not have pass-through. That's Remington Express, triple all buck, 3 buck, 20 pellets, 20 gauge, home defense. Did not penetrate a bag of rice. Just so if you know. If you're wondering, if you ever have a bag of rice invading your home, just know you're not going to have over penetration. Thanks for watching. It's too hot for this shit. I'm dripping in sweat. Will it focus on me? Focus on my face. All right, here we go with the BUCKSHOT home defense range. Y'all see it didn't over penetrate on the bag of rice, which is a good sign. You seen how small the pattern is, so you still got to aim with the shotgun. It's not just point and shoot and everything is going to be okay. And then we got here, just look at the pellets. Some of the ones were covered. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 pellets, so double down. And just giving y'all a look at what these little round pellets end up turning into. Just giving y'all a look at what the pellets turned into. They flattened out. I mean, yeah, that's expansion on themselves at home defense range, so they ain't too shabby. That's what's going on the inside. So they're not staying the little bitty balls as they're going in. They are flattening out and causing havoc. So there you go. That's what BUCKSHOT looks like after taking a shot. Thanks for watching.